Hello. Okay. Good evening, everybody. So today we are going to continue our playlist of aptitude session, and today's topic will be speed, time, and distance. So let's start our today's class. Okay. So let's start with the basics. So the whole questions will be based on a simple formula, which is speed. Oh, wait. Okay, so now it will be right. Speed, which we will denote by S, okay, speed, which is distance, will be denoted by D and divided by time, which is T. So based on this simple formula, all questions will be depend on. So there is another formula which is similar, and we will use that for other average speed kind of questions. So which is total speed. So it's let's represent it as capital S, total distance upon total time. So these two formulas will be very useful, and almost 90% of questions, or maybe even 100% questions, will be solved by these two formulas. So let's go through other basic things which we need to go through before solving the questions. These two formulas I already told you. So it's basically, let me explain it first. Speed is, the definition of speed is distance per unit time, distance covered in per unit time by an object, that is called the speed of the object. So this way we can define speed, distance upon time. And similarly, total speed will be defined as a total distance covered by object in a total unit time, is called total speed. Okay, so both formulas are explained here. So let's see about some more basic things. So there are units like speed, distance, and time. These are three quantities, so which all three have some units. Let we make a unit table. Okay, okay, so first of all, let's talk about the SI unit. Like speed is in maybe in kilometer or in meter per hour or in meter per second. So these two units we can measure the speed. These two units. For distance, it's kilometer or meter, or time will be in hour, or we can say hour, HR shortcut for hour, and or second. Okay, so these two units will be used. So let me write full form here. km equal to kilo meter, which will be, and let's write m here, m equal to meter, and hr or hr equal to hour, and next is s or sec equal to seconds. So these are the full forms written in the table. So let's we define the relation between these two units. For example, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, okay, and 1 hour equal to, there are for hour there are another unit called minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour equal to 3600 second. So these are the basic things we need to know before solving the questions. So let me move towards our first question. So before that, let me revise it. So its speed will be given in units of kilometer per hour or meter per second, okay, or okay, yeah, and distance will be in kilometer or meter, and time will be hour or second, and the relation between the hour and meter, kilometer and meter, hour and minute and second, all given here. So let's move towards our first question. Let's see our first question. So it's given 5 meter per second equal to dash blank kilometer per hour. So here we have to write the solution of this. Okay, yeah, or let me solve this in another way. Where is it? Okay, so let's we write 1 kilometer per hour equal to 1000 meter, and 3600 second. Okay, so let's we solve it. So we have asked meter per second, so we just take this 3600 is here is dividend, so take denominator, so we take it this side, so it will be at numerator, so it will be 1000 meter per second equal to 3600 kilometer per hour. So here this 1000 is in numerator, so it will come this side and will be in part of denominator. So let me write meter per second equal to 3600 divided by 1000 kilometer per hour. So meter per second equal to 36 by 10 kilometer per hour. So as we can see, here is asked 5, so we multiply both sides with 5. So we got 5 meter per second equal to 5 into 36 by 10 kilometer per hour. So we solve further. 5 meter per second equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 8 is a 36. So answer will be 18 kilometer per hour. So answer is 18. This way we solved, and this way we got another formula. I write it here. Okay, kilometer per hour equal to, here 80 is in numerator here, so it will go in denominator, so it will be 5 by 18 meter per second, or second form is 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per second. So it's another formula using which we can convert the given distance from in kilometer per hour to meter per second, or whether we want have to convert the distance from meter per second to kilometer per hour. Sorry, my mistake, here kilometer per hour will become. Okay, let me correct it. It's hour. Okay, so with these formulas we have done, let we take another example. Okay, so our second question is let's take some tricky question. Suppose the question is given 500 by 50 meter per second equal to blank space kilometer per hour. So if given in this form, then we don't need to be confused, just divide it. 500 divided by 50 will be 10 meter per second. So we just use the formula we derived previously. 1 meter per second equal to 5 by 18 kilometer per hour. Let me cross check it. Yeah, here is given 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So we write here 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So here ask it 10, so we just multiply. In this formula we multiply. Let multiply both sides with 10. So here 1 meter per second will be 10 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 into 10 kilometer per hour. So 5 twos are 10, 18 twos are 36, so it will be 36 kilometer per hour. So this way we solve it. So let's move on our next question. Okay, let's see. So it's our third question now. Car travels 8 km in the first quarter. So okay, 8 kilometers. So let me write this. Let me first take the given data given in the question. So first is distance 1, which is 8 kilometer. then distance 2 which is 6 kilometer, okay, and distance 3 which is 16 kilometer. So here the distance isn't given, but it said 1/4, so it will be, sorry, the okay, so here, yeah, distance is given. So let we discuss about time, which is 1 hour. So let we take quarter of 1 hour. T1 will be 1/3 hour, T2 will be 1/3 hour, and T3 will be 1/3 hour. So total time equal to 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, T1 plus T2 plus T3, which are 1/3 each. So will be 1. Total time will be 1 hour. So let we find total distance. Total distance will be 8 plus 6 plus 16. 8 plus 6 14. 40 plus 16 equal to 30 kilometer. So average speed can be find by, let we solve here. So we can say average speed or total speed wait, here is one thing I missed. 1/4 of hour means 1/4 time will be taken. 1/4, so it will be 3/4. let me solve it again. It's mistake here, I missed one word. Let me write this again. T1 equal to 1 hour, 1/4 hour. T2 equal to 1/4 hour, and T3 equal to 1/4 hour. So total time will be 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, 3/4 hour. So we got it. So equal the, let we back to the formula, will be total distance upon total time. So before solving it, we have to make sure the units are in kilometer per hour or either meter per second. Here it's in hour, here it's kilometer. So let we write 30 in numerator and 3/4 in denominator. So it will further 30 cross 4 divided by 3. Okay, so here 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40. So the answer will be 40 kilometer per hour. Let me solve it another way. Let's see another method of solving the same question by taking the hour. Let me see, some student may solve it like this. Let me solve it. So distance is given in kilometer, so no issue with distance, but let me erase it. Okay, some students might take as a, let's see, 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So T1 equal to T2 equal to T3 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 hour by 4. So T1 equal to T2 equal to T3 equal to, so 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So 60 minute by 4 equal to 15 minutes. So T1, T2, T3 all are 15 minutes. So they will go like this: total time equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 equal to 50 plus 50 plus 50 equal to 45 minutes, and our total distance is equal to 6 plus 8 14, 14 equal plus 60, it's 30 kilometer. So now we can't put directly these both values in our formula, which is, let me write in shortcut, S equal to D by T. Average speed equal to total distance upon total time, D total T total. Okay, so here 30 kilometer distance is in kilometer, but time is given in minutes, so we have to convert this in hour. So there is simple way. When we go from minute, 1 minute to 1 minute equal to 60 second, and 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So vice versa we write here, 60 minute equal to 1 hour. Okay, this way. So if 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, then 45 minutes equal to X hour. So simply X equal to 45 by 60 equal to, we will got 45 by 60 hours. Or if we further simplify it, then we can say 5 nines are 45, 5 12s are 60. Okay, and we can further simplify it, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 hour. Okay, so it's simplified, 3 by 4 hours. So we put it 30 kilometer by 3 by 4 hour equal to 4 30 by 3, 3 tens are 30, 4 into 10 equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So the answer is same. This way also we are getting the same answer. So always keep in mind, whenever the units are in different, like time is in minute and distance in kilometer, you have to either convert distance in meter or time in hour, so we can solve it. Okay, so let's move towards our next question. Okay, it is another tricky question. Let me see. The question is, a tourist covers half of his journey by train. So half journey by train. So let me see. Half of the journey by train at speed of 60 km per hour, half by bus 30 km per hour, and rest by cycle at 10 km per hour. So let's see. So here the total distance isn't given, and we have to focus on the word half. Okay, so we have to suppose some distance. We have to suppose a total distance. Two way we can solve it, but for making it easier, we suppose some distance. Let we suppose total distance is 60. For simplification I taken 60, you guys can take whatever you want and solve it. So total distance is 60 kilometer. Okay, yeah. So we got total distance 60. Okay, so first half. So first half distance means 60 by 2, which is 30 kilometer, which will be d1, and it's covered by speed 60 kilometer per hour. So let me suppose second distance. Second distance is, so let me say this is first. So in second part there is a total distance 30 kilometer, because he already covered 30 kilometer by train. So 30 kilometer. So the half of 30 kilometer is how much? 50 kilometer. 50 kilometer. Okay. So 50 kilometer is he traveled by bus by speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So S2, it's D2 and it's S2, 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. So next, the rest distance. What is rest distance? 30 plus 15, 45 foot. So cover 30 kilometer by train plus 15 kilometer by bus plus rest distance, which we suppose x, and total distance is 60. So 30 plus 15, 45 plus x equal to 60. So x will be 60 minus 45. So x equal to 15. So the rest distance d3 equal to 15, and its speed s3 will be 10 kilometer per hour. For simplification, let me go next page and solve this question. So we got data which is d1 equal to 30 kilometer and speed 1 equal to how much? We got 60 kilometer per hour. d2 equal to d2 was 15 kilometer with speed 2, 30 kilometer, 30 kilometer per hour, and d3 is 15 kilometer by speed s3, which is 10 kilometer per hour. So this is given data and asked average speed, and average speed is asked in kilometer per hour. Okay, so let me solve it. So average speed equal to total distance by total time. Let's go total distance 30 plus 50 plus 50 by total time. So here time isn't given, so let me take total time. Total time will be t1 plus t2 plus t3. So we don't have about time, so we will use that formula, speed equal to distance upon time. So we, by this formula, we got time equal to distance upon speed. So this way t1 will be d1 by s1, t2 will be d2 by s2, and t3 will be d3 by s3 by this formula, distance upon speed. So okay, so let me solve it. Okay, so let me move forward. 30 plus 15 plus 15 will be 60. and it's d1 30 by s1 60, d2 15 kilometer by s2 30 plus d3 15 by speed 10. So let me solve it. 60 by, okay, so take LCM. We got 30 by 60 plus 30 by 60 plus what we call it, 6, okay, 75 to 90. It will be 90 by 60. So let we solve rest portion here. It's a lack of page, so we solve here. Equal to 60 by, here all have base 60, so take 60 common. It will be 30 plus 90 by 60. So here it will be 60 upon 150 by 60 equal to 60 into 60 by 150. Let me go on next page. Sorry, it's previous. So we are on next page. We got 60 into 60 by 150 equal to 3600 by 150. So okay, so it's 15. So let me divide it. 360 divided by 15. Okay, so 15 twos are 30. So 50 20s are 300. Or we let for this instance, let we solve this again. Let 360, 15 twos are 30. So here will be 60. Okay, 54s are 60. So this way we got 0, so it will be 24 kilometer per hour. So this is method number 1. I hope you guys noted it, and let me solve the another method. Here what we done, we suppose distance as a 60. So let we try without taking the number 60. So first we erase this. Let's take total distance as d. Okay, so total distance will be equal to d. So here he covered first half, so d1 will be total distance, here is d, by 2, and speed 2 will be 60 kilometer. d2 will be half, so it will be half of d by 2 by 2, which will be d by 4, and speed 2 will be 30 kilometer per hour okay, and d3 will be half of this d2, so d2 by 2 equal to d by 4 by 2 equal to d by 8, and s3 will be 10 kilometer per hour. So this is data. So as we know, there is nothing mentioned about time, so we will take t1 equal to d1 by s1, t2 equal to d2 by s2, t3 equal to d3 by s3. Okay, so we have the values of t, we have value of s. Let we solve it. Oh, okay, let's take a page. So average speed equal to total distance upon total time. So total distance we suppose as a d, or we can do another way, d1, d2, d3. d1 is d by 2, d2 is d by 4, d3 is d by 8. So if we further simplify it, we got 4d by 8 plus 2d by 8 plus d by 8. Oh, sorry, wait, there is another mistake. Here is rest distance, it not given half. I again make a mistake, so it will be rest distance. Okay, here it is rest distance, not the half. So rest distance we will find by this way: total d minus d by 2 minus d by 4. So it will be d minus 3d by 4 equal to d by 4 kilometer comma 10 kilometer per hour. So d3 will be d by 4. It's my mistake, so I applies for it. So here it will come d by 4 because it was rest distance, not the half distance. I make a mistake there. Sorry about it. D by 4, yeah. So it will be so it will be 2d by 4 plus d by 4 plus d by 4 will be 4d by 4 equal to d. So total distance is d. Okay, we can cross check, so we directly taken d, and total time equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3 equal to d by distance 1 by speed 1 plus d2 by speed 2 plus d3 by speed 3. So let me check here d1, which is d by 2 by speed, which is 60. Okay, d by d1 plus d2, which is d by 4 by 30 plus d by 4 the rest distance by 10. So we go further. Here the whole term is divided by d. So let me write d here. So we simplify it. D by 120 plus d by 120 plus d by 40. So here we take LCM to make the numerator same. So let we solve the further here. So it will be d by 120 plus d by 120 plus, so we here we need to make the denominator 120, so we multiply and divide by 3, so it will be 3d by 120. So the total next term will be dy 5d by 120. Okay, so let me solve further. Okay, so it will be dy 5d into 120. So d and d cancel, it will be 120 by 5. So we can say 20, see 5 24s are 120, so 24 kilometer per hour. So the answer is same. Previously we also got 124 kilometer per hour. Let me see. Here is the answer, 124 kilometer per hour. And our other method, when we take d as a total distance, 24 kilometer per hour. So this way we can solve it two different way. So this is enough for today's class. Sorry for some minor mistakes I done, but these things happen sometimes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and get to know the right methods to solve it. And I request you all to please like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make further more videos. And if you guys increase the subscription, I will increase the video frequency. I will upload a video on daily basis. So this is enough for today. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Okay, thank you. See you then. Bye.